Today I'm going to show you how to analyze volume profile in TradingView. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so if you've ever wondered where real-time trading activity is happening on a specific section of the chart that you're looking at right now. So for example, we are using Bitcoin US dollar, we are on the 1 minute time frame, and this is what your volume profile will actually do. So this is unlike your traditional volume bars that you see on the bottom over here on your screen, which actually show volume over time. Volume profiles actually will come up on the side of your chart and show the volume at a specific level. So what we need to do is go into indicators. We're going to go and look for volume profile. So just dial it in there and you'll see quite a few options, okay? If you go to community, you'll be able to see quite a couple, but what I am going to be using for this example is the KV4 coins. Go ahead and click on that, and it will then add that volume profile indicator to your chart. Now, if you just move your chart over to the right hand side, or the left, sorry, you will see your volume indicator right over here on the right hand side. So if you've ever been stuck in a trade and the price just continues to consolidate absolutely non-stop, literally all day long. So this right here is, as I mentioned, Bitcoin USD, and we're on the 1 minute time frame, and there's no clear price action in this particular example. So how would you really trade something like this? And how do you know that the price is going to consolidate all day? Well, your first indication is a double bottom or a double top, okay? And this can be pulled out over here. So your double bottom, and then you'll have your double top over here. So on your volume profile, there are three key things that you need to look out for. So there is your VA, your VAL, and then your PO. The VA is the value high area. That's the blue line right over here. Then below that, you will have the VAL, which is the value low area. And then you have the PO, which is the point of control, which is the line just over here in the middle, the red line. If you click on it, you'll be able to come over here and actually see the matrix for these lines. Now, when the price is consolidating like this, you want to focus on reactions from the point of control. And that is where the price is most likely to get balanced. So, like if you go and you want to see consolidation areas, you can draw a GAN box as well, and then you can shade the upper and lower areas basically just to see where exactly it's moving and if it's moving in or out of those areas. For example, this area over here, you can see that there is a breakout on the upside. So after a whole day of consolidation, it's now the subsequent candle doesn't go back into the range. You will be seeing that it's good to go for longs. And all you have to do is jump in it at a higher time frame. So you can go into the 1 hour time frame. If you zoom out, you'll see a larger price range. Of course, you can just do that on the right hand side. Just come down over here, see a larger price range over here, and you'll see that you'll be able to see clearly that you would have been trading above the high point, as well as the major point of control over here. And all you need to do is see these larger spikes in volume. And if you're a swing trader, you will see a large rejection and you'll have a short bias, and you want to zoom out way bigger. Like if you want to even go to a daily time frame over here, let's say 1 day, and you'll look for the point of control, and basically that is going to be your price target. So you can just come out over here, look for that point of control, which is right over here, and that is how you will be able to actually see when you should be opening a trade or not, by using the volume profile indicator.